Okay, here we are with the unique property sites. So we're going to click on that. That is your current listing. So I'm going to click on this one because it has the picture. And basically what we're going to do is click on the property site. Going on the site, you're going to actually be able to see, this is actually Nancy's listing. So you're going to be able to see the property, the slideshow. This is exactly what your clients would see. So when you post this on social media, etc., it's going to show up there. And if you look to the right, there's the home button. There's the gallery, which will show all the pictures. There's the map, which is going to show you where it is located. There's request a showing. They can ask to see it. There's a finance calculator, mortgage estimator, based on the price right now, based on current rates, down payment terms, and then of course you can count in the taxes and insurance. And then property feedback, which is going to pop up a separate site, and that's going to let you give the property feedback. The other thing that we have here is a video, and that plays a video of the property, which is very cool. And then the last thing is the print a flyer. So this is perfect for your open houses, and basically this is what it looks like. And you're ready to literally print it and go. So there it is, and it has the pictures. When there's two people, sometimes it makes one smaller. I don't know why. So if you look at this listing, there's a QR code, which is pretty cool. All you need to do is actually take a picture of a QR code, and it opens up the websites. QR codes are not quite, picked up the popularity it should have, but it will eventually. I think that a lot of things in the future will be QR code based. But right now it's just half and half level of importance. So there's a QR code, and then there's some breakdown of information here, and then the property pictures, which you can actually edit as well. So if we go back to the actual listing here, you can see the contact more info button to the left, and then all of our disclosures and SEOs at the bottom. You can also share the listing to your social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, or direct to an email if you wanted to. If we go back here, you also have the ability to get a branded tour and then a non-branded tour. So it's just a separate link just for the slideshow itself, and they wouldn't know where it, specifically would come from. Now, if I wanted to edit the actual listings, I would go to My Listings, and then I would click on the listing, and I would go to Show More Details, and I would edit site. And here you can actually edit the pictures, the scheme, you can edit the flyer, and also what it lets you do, which is really cool, is you get a Craigslist HTML flyer. Now, because it's HTML code, it'll look exactly like this on Craigslist. How cool is that? So there's your HTML code, and you just throw it in, and you're done. Let me go back. You can select your design, the video editor, video manager, video settings, website settings, and the user settings. So definitely play around with this, but what's really cool about it is that it's all there for you to edit at your own convenience.